Here's what the lights mean on your new Rachio 3. Blinking white. Your controller is booting up, running through its startup checks and getting ready to connect. This usually takes about 30 seconds. It's basically stretching before the workout. Give it a second. Blinking yellow. Half the bar blinking yellow means the controller is awake and looking for your Wi-Fi network. If you just started setup, you should see this for about a minute or two. If it's been longer than that, double check that your phone and the controller are on the same network. Yellow is the universal color for, hang on, I'm working on it, alternating red and white. If the bar is flashing red and white at the halfway point, your controller found a network but couldn't connect. Almost always a wrong Wi-Fi password. Open the Rachio app, restart setup, and pay extra attention when you type it in. Nobody has ever typed a Wi-Fi password right on the first try. Nobody. Blinking white. 3/4 of the bar blinking white is good news. You're past the Wi-Fi step. Your controller is connected and reaching out to Rachio's servers to register itself. Almost there. The controller is just doing the paperwork now. Blinking white. Full bar blinking white means the handshake worked. Your controller is finishing registration with your account. Just a few more seconds. Don't unplug it now. We're so close. Don't be that person. Solid blue. Solid blue across the whole bar means you're connected. Setup is complete and your controller is ready to start running schedules. Go water something. Rachio. It just works.